going to show you how to fold a fitted sheet. So take the bottom corner and you put it into the top corner on both sides. There we go. Okay. Then you lay it on a flat surface. Smooth it out. And the important part is that all of the edges that are not straight need to become straight. So you take this and you fold it in, and then you have a flat side. Then you take this side and you fold it in, you have a flat side. Then you take the top and you fold it to the middle. Take this one, fold it over, and then do it in thirds. There you have it, folks.
When are you supposed to love it?
Don't you love it?
I do love it. That is one heck of a great fitted sheet.
There you go.